Hello, my name is Phil Burney. I am a network services technician in the South Wales area. I started back in 2009 as an apprentice. I completed that in 2013 where I became a craftsman, and towards the end of 2017 I progressed then to the mechanical technician. It's very varied. No 2 days are ever the same here. It varies from day-to-day maintenance to emergency calls, faults on the network. It covers quite a large area in South Wales. I do get quite a bit of job satisfaction from working here, just keeping the gas flowing to our customers and making sure the network's safe and robust and reliable. So part of my day-to-day, I actually train and work alongside some of the apprentices we have now. Obviously train them up to become competent at their job and make sure everything they do is safe and keep the gas flowing. Yeah, if you're interested in engineering, mechanical, quite good with your hands, and then looking for an apprenticeship, I'd highly recommend this. It's on-the-job learning. We have some fantastic facilities and great people I work with.